Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. During this pandemic and uncertain times, we all need to be looking towards building our immune system. We are all trying to boost our immunity and also to have a healthy diet. So we choose to have healthy foods. There comes in mushroom. Mushrooms are a good source of energy and nutrition. They help build immunity. Mushrooms are also great source of protein, fiber, B vitamins, vitamin C, calcium, minerals and selenium. So today let's see how to make a simple mushroom soup at home. So to make mushroom soup, first let's heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a saucepan. Next add 4 garlic cloves. Saute until it becomes soft. To that add 1 medium onion. Saute for about 5 minutes until soft but not browned. Next add the mushrooms and cook over on high heat for another 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and dilute it in 1 tablespoon of water. Corn flour helps to thicken your soup. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add 2 glasses of water. Now bring the mixture to boil and pour in the diluted corn flour. Now to that add half a tablespoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of pepper and salt as required. Simmer for another 2 minutes and turn off the flame. Finally add coriander leaves and your simple delicious soup is ready. Before you serve, add some cornflakes to the soup. As I don't have cornflakes, I have added this. As an alternative, you can also add any crispy chips to it. So that's my simple and delicious mushroom soup. Do try this at home and let me know how you like it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.